Hey, my name is Dwayne Williams and I'm the creator of the Entrepreneur Academy. This is my freedom movement and my way to contribute and give back to the world. My goal is to create a massive movement of people becoming free from the typical 9-to-5 slavery and live a life you don't need a vacation from. So you can stop trading time for money, because time is the most precious asset you own and will ever own in your lifetime. I truly want to help thousands of people to learn how to start an online business. And it is my life goal to help as many people as possible realize there is a better life than being trapped in a cubicle. I teach how to make money online, I teach how to earn passive income, and live the best life you can, with the freedom to do the things you want to do always. I teach how to work from home, and about work from home jobs. I'm a new full-time entrepreneur. I'm super excited to take you all along this crazy ride as I build my business from the ground up and giving you a good look inside the life of a startup entrepreneur. Remember, you can completely change your life at any time, you just need to start. It is time to take back your financial freedom and live your best life. Sometimes the smallest decisions make the biggest difference in your life. Build your dreams or be hired by someone else to build theirs. If you would like to see these types of videos, please subscribe now, so we can make this year our best year ever. Thanks for subscribing, and don't forget to share this video with a friend or family.